Hello, I am back to YouTube after a long absence. I guess it's been about almost 2 months or so. The reason for that is because I've been in the process of moving from Canada to Greece. Been here, left Canada the end of July, and it's the beginning of September, so it's been like 6 weeks that I've been here with, I came with my parents, and because my parents are retired and they had enough of life in Canada, and I've had enough of life in Canada too, so we're currently staying at just a rental property until the middle of September, and yeah, I just thought I would make a video now that I've got time to show what I'm eating in a typical day right now, now that I'm in Greece, which is quite different than how I was eating back in Canada. I mean, it's still all fruitarian, raw vegan, of course, but the fruit is all different. I'm eating lots of melons and lots of figs, which are still just in complete abundance here on Crete. I'm not even buying them. I walk around the village every morning and just pick figs from all the different fig trees. There's even some on the property here. And it's amazing because there's all different kinds. There's like purple ones and green ones, and yeah, so I have figs, like a big fig meal every day for lunch, and it's really cool because I often have like 5 or 6 different kinds, and it's really fun getting to experience all the variety of just one type of fruit. This is the fig tree, or one of the fig trees on the property. It's got really nice little green figs, and there's a few more back there. There's also some grapes, which I've been eating grapes. Not a lot, but some. They're all seeded here. And what else? Tomatoes, cucumbers. The fruit generally is very good quality here. So I'm enjoying it. And as I was saying, around the end of September, I am moving with my parent. My parents have bought a property not too far away from here that's got some space for to put in gardens, and I might be looking into buying more land to plant more fruit trees and more space for growing things that I want to grow, like melons and you know, lots of tomatoes and cucumbers and different kinds of fruits. So that's that. I'm really looking forward to getting over there and making more regular videos again to document the process of starting a new permaculture project, food forest from scratch, and how that is and everything. So stay tuned for that. In the meantime, here's a glimpse of what I'm currently eating. And yeah, maybe I'll make a few more videos like this in the next couple weeks since I've got time. So here it is. Alright, so I'm going to start off my day, as I have been pretty much every day since I've been here, with a couple of these beautiful canary melons. Probably have like 1.5 of these. I think I'm going to have these two. These are the 2 riper ones. Save that one for tomorrow. These melons are amazing. They are so good. I think they're canary. They're kind of unique. I've never really had a melon that's exactly like this type. I've only seen this particular type here in Crete, but they seem, I'm pretty sure they're like some kind of canary melon. So this is my preferred way to eat melons. Just cut them in half, scoop the seeds out, and just use the natural bowl. Much easier than cutting the peel and cutting it into small pieces or whatever. So the inside is kind of like golden, like that. It's really nice. All right, so this is what I've been having pretty much every day for lunch. These are my figs that I forage from the various trees in the village where I'm living. And yeah, it's about actually a bit more than 1.5 kilos usually that I have. And as you can see, there's like 4, 5, 6 different kinds of figs. There's some small green ones and some big green ones and some purple ones that are red inside, and just yeah, all different kinds. And then I usually have about 100 grams or so of romaine lettuce with that, just to get some greens. When I eat my figs, I always make sure to open them up first, just because sometimes there's worms and stuff, especially if they're really ripe, so I always open them up like that first, just to make sure there's no worms, and then pop them in my mouth. Alright, so it's about 4:45 in the afternoon right now, and I'm gonna have some more melon. I'm gonna finish this snowball melon that I bought a couple days ago from the farmer's market, and then I'm gonna have at least half and maybe all of this canary melon. These canary melons are delicious. So that's going to be part one of my dinner. Then I'm going to wait for about half an hour, let that digest, and then have some veggies and avocado. Alright, here's part two. I've got some grapes here from the place that I'm staying that I picked, and some tomatoes, and some cucumber, and some more lettuce, and some avocado, and that's it. There you go, that's what I eat in a day in Crete.